Hello guys, welcome back in a new video. I had bought a brand new AirPod named Realme Q2, which is a very interesting AirPod at a very low price. It is the first AirPod at this range which comes with active noise cancelling. So, in this video, I am going to do its detailed review. Let's start with its unboxing. If you are new in my channel, then please consider to subscribe, like and share for more interesting contents.
Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.